The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Meta continues to push up day after day and is going somewhere on this chart, and we can find that with the measure move. So first, let's put a channel on the price action. Looks like this channel is the one that the bulls are respecting. You can see if I connect the swings, this is fitting okay against the price. We don't have a lot of touches, but this is probably the closest one that fits against this price action. And you know, this uptrend channel is still intact. EMA is pointing up, so there's a good chance the price continues to push higher and higher. We have this measure move target right here. Is this the entire leg up right here? It does look like that. And this is the bottom of the correction where prices rebounded off of, and we are in the formation of the second leg higher to the 275 levels. So that is a potential target. It would be surprising if Meta platforms can reach that, but it is definitely a target. If we do a smaller measure move target from this impulse right here, then this next target would be right around the 251. So that one is probably more likely to occur than the 275. We'll have to wait and see. Either one can be reached, and the bulls are attempting to reach these measure move targets, and the sellers, aggressive sellers, are trying to not let the bulls get up to these levels, but they failed a few times. They failed right over here. You can see the sellers brought the market down with this impulse. Prices bounced up, and then they tried again right over here, but they couldn't reach this measurable target because the channel and EMA were too strong, and then the bulls trapped them out of their position. So they tried right there. They haven't tried yet. We're just seeing higher prices. It looks very strong for the bulls. It looks like they're coming to take out these swing highs right here. The first one at the 225 level, and the next one at the 235 level. So these two swing highs most likely will probably be taken out. So everything looks good for Meta platforms as right now. I'm looking for higher price targets. We also are finding support at this 184, 185 level in the past. So again, this will probably be a support maybe later on in the future. Either way, it looks pretty strong for Meta platforms. And then let's take a look at the weekly chart. So even though I see higher prices, I would be expecting a decent sized correction fairly shortly. I mean, it's not going to continue higher like this forever, but it can for a good amount of time. Just like this entire downtrend, prices were far away from the EMA for quite a long time. So we could stay far away from this EMA for quite a long time until we see a massive reversal, and then that will bring price back to that EMA. You can see that prices in the past, whenever it got below the EMA and we got back above it, it marked the low of that correction. You can see that same thing happened in 2020 when we got back above the EMA after making that low. That was the bottom. So in 2018, this was the bottom. We got back above the EMA. In 2020, this was the bottom. Prices got back above the EMA and never looked back. Is this a bottom right here in 2022 where we got back above the EMA and not look back? It is a possibility. This is such a strong up move where it looks like a reversal instead of a correction. This was the previous downtrend right here, a very wide one. So we could still probably see a couple attempts from the sellers to drop the price down near this low right here at the 91. But the higher and higher this goes, the less and less likely that is to occur. So as right now, I'll be looking for higher price targets. This looks pretty good for Meta platforms. I think this target also might come in play at the 250 level. I think that was the first measure move target I had. Let me take a look at that again. It was this impulse right here, and then we are in the formation of the second one. So it coincides with that measure move target instead of the entire leg up. If I use the more nearer one, this is the measure move right here to the 250 level, low 250. And that coincides with this previous support right here. Prices got a double bottom, before breaking through with a massive red candle, and prices never came back to retest it for resistance or breaking through to find support. So I think price is coming back up to retest it for resistance, and let's see if that coincides with the fib retracement too. So you can see that 50% is right at the 237. So somewhere around here we might see a decent sized correction from Meta Platforms. But as right now, I'd be expecting higher prices. Definitely no short setups or anything telling me that we can see a drop right now. I think as right now, probably gonna see higher prices. But again, we're very far away from the EMA. We're at the highs of the trend. So the momentum is the only thing probably keeping this up so far. And eventually, when that dries out, we might see a couple reversal attempts by the bears. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, Meta Platforms look pretty strong, so I'm looking for higher price targets. That's all I have for Meta Platforms this week, Tuesday, and I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.